Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So AMC, GME, the overall market, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at it, see what's going on, share our opinion on how this thing is going to play out going into tomorrow. So AMC ended the day at $16.58, up over 7.8%. GameStop ended the day at 146, up over 3.5%, guys. AMC opened at 1560. The high was 1696. I told you guys on the day the high would be 1695. It was a penny off. And after hitting that, unless AMC was going into a beast mode, and after breaking 1695, beast mode would have been straight to the 20, no hesitation, and would have continued to screen up hard and strong. Other than that, we was going to experience a sell-off that usually 10 out of 10 happen, guys, after hitting those levels. Once we hit 1695, I said we should see a sell-off. That's exactly what took place, guys. And then we started to recover towards the end of the day. But a lot of the other stocks in particular within the S&P 500, the other indexes, they came down toward, they was running up toward during the day, and towards the end of the day they all started to come back and tumble down, guys. And then we're going to go into details and share on what happened to make stocks change heart of direction, basically. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, see what's going on. So for starters though, before we get into the overall market and what took place, let's talk about AMC. Like I told you guys, the media, they love to try to put some type of narrative on a security or asset whenever it starts to do good. You can have all this catalyst, all this different stuff bubbling up to make the stock do, and it was already intended to do what it's going to do anyway. But once it does do that, they'll try and say, oh, this news, that did this, that's the reason it's up, that's why it's doing that. Not saying that it's not, but this could be, you know, it played a small role, but it's not the icing on the cake. This is not the only reason AMC done what it done today. A lot of it also has to do with price action. Just as I called out the peak today, price action. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at this. AMC stock soars on Hycroft mining update. AMC Entertainment, that's what they say, it soared because of that. AMC Entertainment backed Hycroft Mining will launch its largest exploration program in almost a decade. Hycroft has not launched an exploration drilling program since 2014. Shares of AMC stock are down more than 35% year to date, but popping on Hycroft's news. So what is an exploration drilling program? Let's go ahead and take a look at that, guys. So an exploratory drilling program is an investment in a DPP that engages in the drilling for oil or gas in new areas seeking to find new wells. So we know AMC has well over 20+% stake in Hycroft Mining. So if they benefit very well off of this, we could definitely see AMC benefit off it as well, guys, and for the hype to come in around it. So as you know, we got so much catalyst, we got so much stuff boiling up for AMC. Like I told you guys, now is a buy zone, now is buy time. But whenever it's you chasing, whenever we get the levels in this, you know, you chasing and everybody hit me up, should I buy, high, it's going high. I'm gonna let you know, you're chasing. Even though once it get to those levels, it could go higher. I'm still going to be very clear with you guys and let you know when you late to the party, when you buying at the peak, when it could possibly sell off. Because even though you're chasing and we expecting to go higher, it could sell off from when you get in at 30, come all the way back down to 15, 16, you lose over 50%, and you don't got the conviction to hold like everybody else holding, so you sell for a 50% loss and then try to get right back in when you see it running up. Instead of getting in at that 15 range, you will wait till it run back up to 25, 30 and rinse and repeat and do yourself like that again, guys. That's what you got to understand. So anyways, going into tomorrow, we also know, we already know, man, how they like to put the dictation on the market with certain companies. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, man. So stocks tumble as earnings season picks up. U.S. stocks fell sharply into the final hour trading Monday following news from Apple plans to slow hiring and curb spending next year to prepare for a possible recession. So Apple is tightening up, guys. They trying to save as much money as possible. They trying to, do things the smart and strategic way, because everybody know this recession is coming. It's, the fear is out there. Like I told you guys, things is going to get worse before it get better. We can see some, some some golden days in between all this madness, meaning there's going to be some crazy spikes. Bitcoin going to take off. The rest of the crypto is going to take off. The stock market going to take off. Then it's going to come right back down, guys. And it's going to happen. So anyways, I told you guys the key levels to watch for. Bitcoin to hit that main level. Go watch the previous videos. I told you when it hit 22,500, it was going to act kind of funny because that's the main level that they got to break through before we see a crazy spike within the market and a crazy spike within crypto. And if Bitcoin break 22.5, you also want to be looking at Shiba Inu, Ethereum, maybe even Terra Luna. Like I say, I don't want to just throw Terra Luna out there like that because a lot of people, get the bad vibes off that asset. But like I say, guys, I'm throwing in bare minimum. So going into tomorrow, even though Apple trying to put fear within the markets, guys, I do believe tomorrow could be, a bit tricky. We know it's looking as if, without a doubt, the market should come down tomorrow. It should come down. But like I told you guys, I believe the market is going to soar and it's going to run hard and it's going to do when people least expect it, guys. But we also run the possibilities on tomorrow of the market being mixed. And what we mean by mixed is what we brought to you guys' attention. Everything being moving simultaneously in sync, everything being moving together, the whole entire market for these past months, meaning everything coming down together in the red, everything going up in the green together whenever it do whatever it decides to do. So anyways, going into tomorrow, we could see a mixed trading day as well, meaning certain sectors, certain areas of the market down in the red, pulling back with Apple, some large own cap companies, and then some of the smaller mid cap companies and meme stocks could possibly continue to soar. And that's exactly what I'm looking and hoping for is going to happen, guys. Nobody knows exactly what's going to happen ever in the market. So I'm just sharing my opinion on what I believe is going to happen. Because AMC and GME, they could break down. We know how it go up, come down, but it's looking very convincing. Like this, it showed a lot of strength today. Like these bad boys is ready to go, guys. For us to end up at 1658 after we did pull back, we still held up in the 16s, the mid to the high 16s, and we was expected once we sold off to at least come back to around 1575, build support right around 1575, 1570ish before spiking back up to take on that 1695 resistance, guys. So going into tomorrow, I am looking for AMC and GME to break through that 150, for AMC to break through that 1695, run up to around $17.50, $18, guys. GME, if it break through 150, we're looking forward to run up to around 158, 157, guys. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show, guys. Love y'all. We out, and God bless you.